was so proud to be aligned over the past 10 years with this platform because it's hearing what we're expressing from the partner ecosystem. It's very pragmatic. We're bringing in what the customers are saying.
Seceon is the only partner we've worked with, and we've been in the security industry for 26, 27 years now as a business. I can say confidently that Seceon is the only vendor I've worked with such fluidity, in their approach to innovate.
If you have an attacker which is AI driven, we should have a detection which is intelligent as well. And that's where Seceon stands out. What we have seen that the Seceon detection and correlation engine is actually utilizing dynamic threat model which is powered by AI and ML, which can help not only to detect well-known attacks, but also advanced attacks, zero-day attacks, including ransomware attacks, where attacker methods are keep changing.
The major challenge is on a limited automation and the playbook, where I think Seceon is doing really good in that, because most of the player, they can give you a platform, but then doing the automations, creating a multiple playbooks, and that too user-friendly playbooks where anyone can, without having any major logic or the experience on the cybersecurity side, they can also create a playbook. So where most of the people are facing the challenge, and this is the differentiator from a Seceon side, that how we are supporting those customers.
The number one challenge is becoming the complexity, and the complexity is driven by not only the tools, the manpower availability, the new technologies, the AI, all these things. So we see the transformations that's happening at Seceon on the technology side, and just having the agentic integration, the compliance, security posture. It's really enriched actually, and this will help us just achieve the number one goal for the customer, which is the compliance. This is the most needed now. Just they want to comply with the regulation.
Looking to the Seceon in itself, the Seceon platform, it actually brings that balance we're talking about. It brings them all together. The fact that you can actually see your reports in time, with a very faster timing. You can actually look at the compliance setup and give an overview of the security posture. So that's where the differentiating factor comes in when you're talking about bridging those gaps, because it brings about that kind of balance that we want to actually see. Because a lot of times we've seen a whole lot of misaligned incentives. Because today, from compliance side, how they actually balance success is that, you've passed the audit, instead of actually looking at the reduced attack surface or the faster detection or the real resilience that we're talking about. So that's where the balance is about.
Because in the past, I have 10 years experience about the securities, and after I use the standard or traditional SOC, or CM. But now when they use the Seceon, I understand that the AI that he integrated can facilitate the CISOs to have the opportunity to know what happened to our asset, because you understand that the problem that we have today is not the attacker, but the silence compromise that we have in our system.